Ever wanted to binge watch something super random, or maybe check out a topic without messing up your perfectly curated YouTube recommendations? Maybe you're shopping for a gift and don't want the recipient to see your search history. That's where YouTube's Incognito Mode comes in. It's like hitting a temporary pause button on your history and search tracking. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip it on and off in just 2 taps. Trust me, you want to know this trick. Ready? It's ridiculously simple. Look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner. It probably looks like you or your avatar. Tap that. On the menu that pops up, look for the option Turn on Incognito. Give it a tap. And boom, you're now officially browsing Incognito. You'll see a little spy icon replacing your profile picture, and the banner at the bottom confirms you're in private mode. Go ahead, search whatever you want. It won't be saved to your account. Now, when you're done with your private browsing session and you want your recommendations back, turning it off is just as easy. Tap that Incognito spy icon in the bottom right corner. This time you'll see the option Turn off Incognito. Tap it and welcome back to your regular YouTube account. Your profile picture returns and your history tracking is back on. Ever wonder how to download any video from YouTube? Check out this video now.